flashing lights, flashing cars, flashing all the Mars. Whoa, driving in fast lane.
This is how I sectioned off all my hair. It took me a total of 4 hours to complete. I braided my hair at the root and twisted it off at the ends. In order to make sure the back parts were straight, I stood in front of a mirror with another mirror behind me. I start by taking the soft lock, and I want to find the loop, and what I'm going to do is take it and unravel it. I start a little bit below the root of my braid, and I take my crochet hook and hook it through a part of my braid. Then I take the soft lock and loop it through the braid just enough for an inch to go through before bringing the tail end back through. Once the soft lock is looped through, it will not be on the base of the hair, but on the actual braid itself. I take my expression hair and I section off a small piece in order to wrap. I then take the crochet hook and feed it through the base of the braid. Once the hair is through, I make sure to grab the soft lock, my hair, and the smaller piece of expression hair all together before I begin to wrap the longer piece of expression hair around all three. I just continue to wrap until I can't wrap anymore. Once you get close to the end, you'll just continue to wrap until there is no hair left to wrap, and then you just rub your hands together if you want to in order to seal it. But this type of hair seals itself, so after that, you're good. Here again, I'm just taking my soft lock, I'm taking my crochet hook and sticking it an inch below where my braid starts in order to hook the soft lock through my braid. I take the soft lock and I loop it through the braid in order to be able to pull it out at least an inch before I pull the tail end of the lock through. Once it's through the braid, I take the tail end of the lock and I pull it all the way through. I make sure that it's, again, not on the base of the braid, but on my actual braid itself. I take my expression hair and I section off a small piece in order to wrap. I then take the crochet hook and feed it through the base of the braid. Once the hair is through, I make sure to grab the soft lock, my hair, and the smaller piece of expression hair all together before I begin to wrap the longer piece of expression hair around all three. just continue to wrap until I can't wrap anymore. And that's really it, y'all. See, it's not stiff. I can move it after I just did it. It's the perfect hairstyle for any protective style that you choose. I do it very often, like locks are my go-to. So if you are looking for a new protective style, you should definitely try soft locks. And y'all, this is how I put my cow shells on my locks. I am going to show you how I did it right now. So first I take the shell. I also need a rubber band and my crochet hook if I can't get my fingers through it. But then I take the rubber band, I put it through the shell, and I make a loop in order to knot it. And all I do is tie the rubber band around the lock, and that is how I secure the cow shell onto the lock. So guys, that was the way that I installed these soft locks. I have installed soft locks before, but I've always styled them in a different way. If you guys would like to see the different video clips that I have of all the times I've attempted to make this video and just didn't, please leave me a comment and I will definitely like put all those together and upload them. And even though I don't have the styles made currently, I can still talk about the pros and cons of those and the ways I did those versus this way. So they're 28 inches long, and it took me 2 days to do it, and the reason it took me 2 days is because one day I sectioned everything off, parted it, braid/twisted it, and then the next day I just installed them. And I did this the day before I had to take my math final and stayed up all night because I had to study right after I did the majority of my hair. So, bro, that's it. So that's why I'm just filming this now anyway. With school ending this semester, I will do a end of the year update and update you guys on everything that's been going on. I have been off of Snapchat for a while, but I am back on there because I want to go into the new year doing the things that I want to achieve and accomplish moving forward. So yeah, I have launched my business. I will make a we finally launch video here soon, this upcoming week actually, and I will talk about the different things that I create and really just tell you why I started, what's the meaning behind my brand, and everything else that's associated with business. Eyelashes on my store, brown sugar. I love these lashes. And then also this black skin shirt will be up on my site today. If you're seeing this on Wednesday, it will be up on my site today. But yeah, brown shirt, black skin. And I also have some other products that I do want to mention on my channel. So yeah, you guys be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned to the next video.